Good day, everyone.
I'm Rachel J. Umbo.
I am Dave Madidis.
I'm Dan Manuel.
I'm Erica Jane Villegas.
And now, we are demonstrating how to cook
Palitaw.
And
now, we are preparing the ingredients.
Is water,
Sesame seeds, sugar,
Glutinous rice flour.
When placed in boiling water, palitaw pieces initially sink but then float to the surface. They float because the heat from the water causes the dough to expand and become less dense than the surrounding water.
Question number 3. Heat makes water circulate, rising hot water, cook and expand, so it's float. Question number 4. Both involve hot material rising and cooler material sinking. Question number 5. Mantle convection slowly moves tectonic plates. Question number 6, last number. Heat causes movement in fluids that change object positions.
That's all. Thank you.
Bye!